For many years, iPhones have enjoyed a strong reputation for their CPU performance, with Apple even playfully taunting Snapdragon chips at their events. While Android phones have made significant progress in graphics performance, Apple has consistently dominated in CPU performance. However, a shift is now underway with the Galaxy S24 Ultra and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Recently, Qualcomm introduced this new chip, loaded with generative AI capabilities and substantial performance enhancements. Recently, Qualcomm has unveiled the official benchmark scores for the 8 Gen 3, and they are truly remarkable. On Geekbench 6, the 8 Gen 3 scored an impressive 7501 points in multi-core performance, surpassing the iPhone 15 Pro Max with its A17 Pro chip by almost 270 points. This marks the first time in over a decade that a Snapdragon chip has outperformed Apple's A-series chip in multi-core performance on Geekbench. It's worth noting that Geekbench isn't optimized for Android, making this achievement even more significant, considering the 8 Gen 3's 4nm chip competing with the A17 Pro's 3nm technology. However, the iPhone 15 Pro Max still excels in single-core performance. Moving on to the Antutu benchmark, which evaluates both CPU and GPU performance, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 outperforms the A17 Pro by a substantial 44%. In pure GPU tests like the renowned 3D Mark Wildlife test, the 8 Gen 3 leaves the A17 Pro far behind, with a significant 31% higher score. Similar results are seen with Aztec, another tool for assessing GPU performance. But what about efficiency, a crucial factor for most users concerned about battery life? Well, the 8 Gen 3 proves more efficient than the A17 Pro, with the Adreno GPU delivering superior performance while consuming less power, 8.2 watts, compared to A17 Pro's 10.9 watts. In summary, the 8 Gen 3 chip not only outperforms Apple's latest offering in both CPU and GPU, but it accomplishes this while being more power efficient. This suggests that the Galaxy S24 Ultra is likely to provide better battery life than the iPhone 15 Pro Max, especially given Samsung's use of an overclocked version of the 8 Gen 3. Now, you might be wondering why all this power is necessary. A few months ago, you might have questioned it too, but times have changed. Generative AI is the next big thing, and it's already here. With the S24 Ultra, you can accomplish tasks that were unimaginable just a year ago. Take, for instance, the object eraser for videos. Previously, removing objects from a video required hours in After Effects and expertise in using the software. However, with the S24 Ultra, you can achieve this with a simple tap. Generative AI demands significant processing power and memory, which is where these substantial performance gains become vital, ensuring that you don't have to wait endlessly for AI processing to complete. What are your thoughts on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, surpassing Apple's A17 chipset and the exciting generative AI features coming in the S24 Ultra? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.